As I open my eyes to the scenery of yesterday, a soft blush of pink begins to bleed through. Between the cold glass of the city walls, the spring breeze softly knocks on the view.
Walking along, the shadows stretching long, a melody escapes my lips before I know. The sky reflected beyond the crystal pane seems to hang a little lower, a gentle glow.
Fluttering petals, dancing like white snow, pieces of spring landing soft on my palm. This street drenched in the sparkling sun, a shower of blossom falls upon our path, so calm. Even the faces rushing through the crowd stop to breathe it in, just for today. A warm wind whispers through the building forest, carrying the echoes of winter far away.
Our silhouettes clear upon the glass window. Behind us a pink panorama starts to bloom. Pause for a moment, breathe in the silver air. The world is filled with spring, leaving no room.
Fluttering petals, dancing like white snow, pieces of spring landing soft on my palm. This street drenched in the sparkling sun, a shower of blossom falls upon our path, so calm. Down this path that grows deeper by tomorrow, I wanna walk slowly, oh so slowly, where spring lingers just beyond the glass. I'll keep this moment holy and lonely. Soft pink raindrops blur across the pane, while cherry blossoms waltz beneath the golden street lamps' rain. Even the hurried strangers pause and stand still, listening to the melody of spring on the windowsill. Droplets on the glass, huddling close and sliding down. In this quiet sanctuary, far from the bustling town, I'm slowly sinking into the warmth of
this place. A gentle acoustic song in this dim-lit corner is where I truly belong. Cup in the mug, in my palms, feeling the heat. The rain-soaked street outside feels surprisingly sweet. The scent of coffee fills every empty space in my heart, while the rain paints the world like a masterpiece of art. If only for a moment, I wish time would just stay. It's alright if the rain doesn't cease to fall. I have my warm coffee, and that's enough of it all. It feels so good. It feels so good. A street where the white breeze whispering slow, pink ripples spilling through the afternoon glow. Beyond the window, our shadows softly play, the sweet beginning of a cozy spring day. The scent of coffee drifts through the air, cherry petals resting on the clothes we wear. In this moment where time seems to stand still, walking this path, following our heart's will. Like a cherry blossom dream that never ends, fluttering hearts on the wind that spring sends. Mirrored in the glass, a scenery so bright. Our season is blooming in the morning light. Under a sky of pure and cloudless blue, every step is a floral path leading to you. The sudden touch of the sun's warm grace brings a shy smile back to your face. Spring returns with every passing year, but it feels so special just because you're here. Because it's this road, because it's us two, I wanna stay forever in this view. Like a cherry blossom dream that never ends, fluttering hearts on the wind that spring sends. Mirrored in the glass, a scenery so bright. Our season is blooming in the morning light. the petals eventually fall, I'll remember this warmth, I'll remember it all. Our spring, our story through it all.
The spring rain starts to fall outside my window, waking each petal from its gentle sleep. On streets where amber cafe lights start to glow, I breathe in the scent of the memories we keep.
Shoulders brush close under a single umbrella. I still hear your laughter dancing in the breeze.
This petal-strewn path
Washed in the rain, it looks so much like us. It brings me to my knees, falling like a dream. The pink rain descends, filling the hollows where my heart used to be. Though the petals fade, their beauty never ends. In the rhythm of the rain, you're all I see.
the silent melody of blossoms on the ground.
Lingers in the quiet of my restless mind.
Beneath the golden glow as shadows gather round, it's the magic of our spring that I find.
The seasons will turn and we'll drift through the years, and the bloom of this moment may fade away. But when the clouds part and the sunlight appears, you're the flower in my heart that's here to stay. Falling like a dream, the pink rain descends, filling the hollows where my heart used to be. Though the petals fade, their beauty never ends. In the rhythm of the rain, you're all I see.
On the pavement washed clean by the rain,
Only traces of you still remain.
I'll be waiting next spring
For the pink rain to fall again. Oh, again.
The afternoon fades into a misty gray. On the wet asphalt, pink petals find their way. Warm light spills from the café glass, embracing the rain as the moments pass.
Beneath the dancing cherry blossom rain, a rhythm taps on the umbrella, soft and plain in the scent of a season, returning once more. We wander through time we've been waiting for.
Fading footsteps lost in the rainfall sound. A single petal rests on a shoulder newly found. The warmth we feel, though not a word is said, fills the cold street where our shadows are spread. Beneath the dancing cherry blossom rain, a rhythm taps on the umbrella, soft and plain in the scent of a season, returning once more. We wander through time we've been waiting for. Is it a dream that fades when the clouds clear? Footprints on petals, keeping us near. A spring scenery etched forever in time.
Crystal drops tap gently on the window pane, while pink petals slumber on the asphalt, drenched in rain. Stepping in from the chill, leaving the cold world behind, into this amber glow where the warmth is soft and kind, like the mist rising slow from the mugs we hold tight. Our stories unfold in the soft golden light. The last of the spring rain falls outside the door, but here we drink in the season, wanting nothing more. Flickering silhouettes through the glass in the mist, healing a long day or a love that's been missed. Streetlights reflect on the black glossy street like stars that have fallen right under our feet. They say fallen petals aren't a sign of the end, but a promise for next year, a message they send to the hum of the radio and the rhythm of the rain. Old memories awaken and whisper my name, like the mist rising slow from the mugs we hold tight. Our stories unfold in the soft golden light. The last of the spring rain falls outside the walking the flower-paved path with a peaceful mind, with pink comfort resting on my shoulders so light. We drift into the stillness of the deepening Pink snowflakes settling soft on the ground. The wet asphalt shimmers where your name is found. At the corner cafe under that golden glow, the warmth of our whispers still lingers, you know. Memories scatter with every light breeze, walking softly on ghosts of the seasons that freeze. If I reach out, will you just fade away? I'm standing still in the midst of today. Cherry blossom rain on this lonely night. Where are you now under the pale lamplight? Only dancing petals fill the heavy air, while I gather shadows of a love we used to share. Walking through this moment all on my own. Silence is resting on an empty chair. Raindrops on the glass like a quiet prayer. Time feels frozen in this painted scene, still waiting for the us that might have been. By tomorrow these flowers will all fade away, but the scent in my heart is here to stay. Even when the clouds clear and the morning is new, the essence of you will still pull through. Cherry blossom rain on this lonely night. Where are you now under the pale lamplight? Only dancing petals fill the heavy air, while I gather shadows of a love we used to share. Walking through this moment all on my own, where the petals meet the end of the line. I whisper your name one last time. This beautiful night, so cold and so bright, slowly fades into the light. Pink rain is falling soft outside the glass. Petals scattered where the shadows pass. Stepping in from a biting morning chill. The world outside stands quiet and still. I brush the silver mist from my shoulder as the breeze outside grows a little colder, warming my soul with a golden cup of coffee. The sweet coffee scent drifting through the air. The rhythm of the rain becomes our melody. In this little sanctuary we share, let the steam rise up like a gentle prayer, finding peace in the fragrance lingering there. Through the misty windows and the amber glow, the voices of the city hum soft and low. The heat of the mug pressed against my palms, a small steady light in the quiet calms. It's okay to pause, it's okay to stay until the clouds decide to drift away. In the lingering coffee scent of this room, memories begin to quietly bloom. Beyond the pain, the petals start to dance, lost to your beauty. Scene painted in petals and gold, in this warmth a story yet untold. Just you, me, and the coffee between us, while the pink rain turns to dust. Pink rain is falling soft outside the glass. Pink rain, Pink rain is falling. Pink rain is falling soft outside the glass. Pink rain is falling.
Pink petals scattered on the wet asphalt. The chilly air lingers just outside the door. Beyond the glass, the raindrops start to halt, tracing patterns where the blossoms fell before.
Underneath the glow of amber light, stories rise like steam into the air, while the rain whispers softly beyond the square. Safe and cozy in this hideaway we share. Quiet laughter ripples through the room, softening the edges of the graying day. Watching cherry blossoms meet their bloom, washed in silver as the world fades away. Underneath the glow of amber lights, cupping warmth between my palms so tight, our stories rise like steam into the air, while the rain whispers softly beyond the square. Safe and cozy in this hideaway we share. Spring is drifting slowly past the pane, petals dancing through the rhythm of the rain. Though the flowers fade into the street, the warmth we found remains so sweet. In every sip, a memory complete. Under the amber street lamps glow, the pink snow begins to fall slow, surrendering to the touch of spring rain, painting soft shadows on the wet terrain. From the cafe window, a warm golden light spills onto the sidewalk, chasing the night. In the ripples of the puddles on the ground, fragments of our laughter are still to be found. A single droplet from the edge of my shade wakes up the memories I thought would fade. In the scent of rain and the blooms in the air, I find myself searching for you everywhere. Walking this petal-soaked road all alone, in every fallen bloom your ghost is shown. The promises we made that faded spring day are washing back to me in shades of gray. They soak through my skin and they weigh on my feet on this lonely cherry blossom Main Street. I watch a distant umbrella drift away, holding my breath in the haze of the day, wondering if you'd ever turn your head to catch the words that we never quite said. Treading lightly on petals crushed on the floor, like the pieces of us
stars we couldn't restore. The sky grows heavy, the wind starts to moan, and I'm reminded I'm walking alone. When the clouds finally clear and the petals go dry, the season of you still lingers nearby. Will the weather in my heart ever find a brighter blue? Or am I forever caught in this storm of you? The rain keeps falling, the pink fills the street.